In this video, I'll show you how to build your first WordPress website. Welcome, my name is Jake, and I will personally guide you through each stage of building a website. From selecting the right platform for your website, to hosting it, to choosing a domain name, to hands-on building your WordPress website today. So, why WordPress? It's been over 10 years since I started using WordPress professionally. As a content creator, I've grown with it, and I'm not the only one. Did you know that 43% of the internet is powered by WordPress? There are many reasons I chose WordPress.org, but the main reason is that it's open source. That means you own your content. That may seem like a given, but there are many platforms out there like Wix, Squarespace, and Webflow, to name a few, which run on closed environments. If one day you want to move your content to a different hosting company, for example, or you outgrow the platform, you'll be stuck there. In this video, I'll use Elementor hosting. I find it the most effective way to build your first WordPress website. I'll talk more about it when we move on to our next topic, hosting. So, what is hosting? In short, it's like renting space in a building. It's an internet storage space for your website's media and files. But with some hosting companies, and I'll call it old school, you have to click to install WordPress, then click to install an SSL, then click to install other services. Oof. Sometimes hosting companies can install it for you, but there may be a hidden fee. The good news is we'll use a new method which is ideal for WordPress beginners, Elementor hosting. With Elementor hosting, everything you need for your website comes pre-installed. I'll show you what I mean when we start building our first WordPress site. Every WordPress website needs a theme. A theme controls how your WordPress website looks, and in the early days of WordPress was pretty much the only way to design your website. You can find thousands of free themes in the WordPress repository and paid themes in dedicated online marketplaces. However, most people are surprised to find that their website doesn't look anything like the theme preview or what they expected. It's not easy to customize a theme, and that's why page builders are so useful. A page builder goes beyond your theme and gives you more design control and freedom when building a website. With page builders, you can build your website visually using drag and drop functionality without having to write code. Some page builders, like Elementor Pro, give you even more control as you can design every single part of your website, including the header and footer. Elementor hosting comes with the Hello theme and Elementor Pro already installed, so we're set with both our theme and page builder. The next step is to add content. I will suggest searching Google for keywords related to your website topic, or using different tools for keyword research depending on your topic. Search engines will index your site faster once you have it updated with relevant and SEO-friendly content. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. You can optimize your content for search engines using plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and more. We're good to go because Elementor integrates perfectly with the most popular WordPress SEO plugins. So, what's a plugin? WordPress plugins extend your WordPress website's capabilities. Many WordPress plugins are available, like ones for backups, security, performance, forms, and pop-ups, just to name a few. Elementor hosting, together with the Elementor Pro plugin, already covers all these capabilities, so you won't need so many plugins. With fewer plugins, you'll spend less time updating them and worrying about plugin compatibility. Elementor has us covered. Okay, before we dive in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can share more WordPress content with you. Now that we know what we're doing, let's build our WordPress website. To build my first WordPress website hassle-free, we'll sign up for an Elementor hosting account. This brilliant option offers everything I need to get started on the right foot. With Elementor hosting, we not only get fast and secure web hosting, but also top-notch features like an SSL certificate for enhanced security, daily backups for peace of mind, and premium support for any help we might need along the way. The best part is that it will automatically install both WordPress and Elementor for us. Talk about convenience. Let's visit the Elementor website by going to elementor.com. Next, let's go ahead and click the Get Started button. Here, we get to choose the type of website we'd like to create. I'm quite drawn to this wireframe kit, so let's see what's inside by clicking on the Preview Design option. This kit offers a nice homepage with a variety of layouts to showcase the services my company offers. Additionally, it includes an About page, a Services page, a blog page, and a contact page. With all these essential pages, it's the perfect foundation to build our first WordPress website. Alright, it's time to take the next big step. We'll go ahead and click on the Start with this Design option at the top of this page. The next screen presents us with an important choice, selecting a site plan. So we'll go ahead and choose the Buy Now option. We can now complete our purchase by selecting the Pay Now option. After that, a confirmation screen will pop up, and we'll click on the Start Creating Your Website button. On the next screen, the first thing to do is enter a temporary name for the website. We'll go ahead and select Next. Elementor will then take care of the rest, installing WordPress and the kit I chose for our website. Alright, it seems our website is now ready to go, so let's jump back in and hit that Let's Go button. Before we check out the website we just created, let's take a moment to explore the My Elementor account dashboard. Right at the top, we can see the new website we've just built. On the left-hand side, there's a navigation menu that offers various options for my account. Click your name in the top right corner to view and edit your profile information. Now, let's get back to exploring the website. Hovering over my website, we can see several options available. For now, we'll select Manage this website to enter the admin area. The first one is Custom Domain Name. We have email authentication settings. Site log. Next, we have backups. Daily backups are taken automatically, but we also have the option to create manual backups if needed. Debugging and troubleshooting. Alright, now that we've covered Elementor account dashboard, we'll log into the WordPress dashboard and see how to use it. I'll go with Open WP Dashboard because I want to introduce you to WordPress before we dive into Elementor. Here I am in the WordPress dashboard. At the top left corner, if we hover over the site name, a new link appears allowing us to visit our website. Once we open the website, we'll find ourselves on the homepage and everything looks as expected from our earlier preview of the kit. Once again, welcome back to the WordPress dashboard. Let's take a look at the top left side. Here, you'll find the main menu options. We've got blog posts, media files, pages of our website, Elementor settings, templates associated with our website, appearance, where you'll discover themes and menu options, plugins, website users, tools, and lastly, settings. Let's first navigate to the Pages menu and select the All Pages option. We'll see a list of all the pages currently associated with our website. Hovering over any page title will give you a few options. You can click on Edit with Elementor or select More for a drop-down of other useful options. Now, let's add a new page. Just hit the Add New button near the top of the page, give your new page a name, and then click the Publish button. A confirmation will pop up, and once you confirm, your page is live. It's as easy as that. No need to add any content right now. We'll talk about that in the next few steps. For now, let's head back to the dashboard. Alright, now that we've covered pages, let's dive into posts and explore the archive page. To get started, I'll head over to the dashboard menu and click on the Posts section. You'll notice that when we installed the kit, it came with several sample posts already set up. Hovering over the top post in the list, I can quickly select the Edit option to make any changes I want. Great. Now that the post has been loaded, we can see that we are in the WordPress block editor. The block editor offers various widgets or blocks such as headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and more. Head back to the dashboard by clicking the WordPress logo in the top corner. Alright, now that we've explored a sample post, let's dive into creating a brand new one. To get started, I'll select the Add New option, which opens up the WordPress editor. First things first, I'll give my post a catchy title by clicking on the Add Title headline and typing in the name of my post. Next, I'll craft a concise excerpt in the Post Settings panel, providing a quick summary of what the post is all about. For the featured image, we'll upload an interesting picture that will display in the hero section of the post and catch readers' attention when shared on social media. Now I can get creative and write about my new project in the editor. With the post content completed, it's time to hit the Publish button and confirm to make the post live. We can then view the published post by clicking the link at the bottom. Looking fantastic. Now, let's head back to the dashboard. Now, you might be curious about whether you can write posts using the Elementor editor instead, and the answer is definitely yes. With Elementor, you have the freedom to create more intricate designs and interactive elements in your posts. Now, how will we make sure our visitors can easily access our posts on the website? There are a few ways to do this. We can add a link to our posts from one of our pages, we can include a link in the menu, or we can use an archive page. To set up my new portfolio page as an archive, I need to assign it in the WordPress dashboard. Here's how. Navigate to the Settings menu, then choose Reading. In the Reading Options Settings page, near the top, we'll use the drop-down menu to select our portfolio page as the Posts page, and then save it. Now let's dive into the WordPress menu system and see how it works. Menus play a vital role as they offer visitors a standardized method to navigate through our website. We'll navigate to the Appearance menu and select the Menus option. Here, I can see the menu that was automatically created when the kit was imported. To rearrange the menu items, we'll select them and drag them to their desired location. To add a new menu item, we'll select it from the list here and choose Add to Menu. Don't forget to hit the Save button to publish the changes to the menu. Alright, let's dive into the exciting world of Elementor and explore how it integrates with WordPress. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Pages menu. We'll hover over the Home page and select Edit with Elementor. Now, let's explore each area of the editor to gain a better understanding. First up, we have the Widgets panel. Here on the right is the canvas where we structure and style our website. Everything we see here is fully editable. You can customize any element by selecting it and making changes to it. On the top left corner, by selecting the hamburger icon, we can access the additional areas of Elementor. Finally, at the bottom of the widget panel, we have access to various options: Page Settings, Navigator, Open Close, View history of changes made to the page, Open responsive controls, Preview the page in the browser, and last but not least, the Update button, which we'll use when we're ready to make our web page live. We build Elementor layouts using what we call containers. A container acts as a box or a container for other elements on our page, such as widgets and even other containers. To create a new container, we'll click the plus icon located in the canvas area. Elementor offers a variety of preset layout structures. Now we can add our widgets or even additional containers. Let's talk about widgets. Widgets are the elements we use to build and design our website. We've got nearly 100 widgets to choose from. Let's see it in action with the button widget and place it inside the container we created earlier. Most widgets have three main tabs. The Content tab, where we configure the widget's content. Here, with the button widget selected, we can set the button text, the link it leads to, alignment, size, and much more. The Style tab, which allows us to customize the widget's appearance. From colors and typography to borders and shadows, the options are endless. The Advanced tab, where we can delve into more advanced settings for precise control over the widget's spacing, positioning, behavior, and much more. Now we'll drag a heading widget into the canvas area. We can edit the heading from the widget settings, as well as directly from the canvas. Here's a pro tip for you. The HTML tag associated with the heading lets us control its level of hierarchy within the page. We can find them in the HTML tag dropdown as a range of options from H1 to H6. There are other tags like divider, span, and paragraph as well. Moving on to the Style tab, here we can fine-tune the headings, size, and color. And here we have global styles. Next, we'll grab the text editor widget and drop it right onto the canvas. The text editor widget is our go-to tool for paragraphs of content for our website, and it's like writing an email. We've got all the basic formatting we need here: bold, italics, bullet points, and all the common formatting options we're familiar with. Once the text is in place, we can edit it just like before. Like we did previously with the button and the heading widgets, in the Style tab, we'll make this text stand out even more. We'll grab the image widget and pop it onto the canvas. Images play a large role in conveying our message visually. Now, let's replace that default placeholder. I'll use an image I've already saved to my computer. In the Style tab, we can fine-tune the display size and other options for this image. Time to tidy things up a bit. Let's remove this container. A quick and handy way to do this is by right-clicking within the container, just like that. A list of helpful options appears, and we'll go ahead and select Delete. That's it for today. Now you're ready to continue editing your website. For a more detailed tutorial, click the link appearing now. Be the first to know about upcoming content by subscribing and hitting that bell. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.